Good day, sixth graders. Today is January 4th, 2022. Um, Life is good, and we are on page 82 right now. Um, all right, so let's take a look, see if there's a do now. Yes, there is a do now. So it's based off the word conserve. Uh, Last month, our family conserved water by blank. So last month, our family conserved water by blank. Okay? I'm going to have you guys do that for a do now. If you weren't here yesterday, I want you guys to go back, look at yesterday's lesson, and also I want you to write about your Christmas break and set some goals for this week. Let's take a look at page 82. Okay, we have the word final and destroy. Okay, so final is something that blank at the blank. Something that ends at the certain time, maybe. Let's see what they used. Something that occurs at the end. All right, so I want you to write that. Something that occurs, OCCURS, at the end. Okay, and then you have to fill in this part. What do you like to do on the final days of summer vacation? I like to blank on the final days of vacation. Next word is destroy. To blank something. Well, to me it means to destroy something. To ruin something, maybe. Okay, I always have to tell my kindergarten boy, don't destroy that. Don't ruin that. Okay. Yeah, and that's what they have. To ruin. RUIN something. To ruin something. Excuse me. What is one thing that could destroy a perfect attendance record? One thing that could destroy a perfect attendance record is COVID. Okay, or I want you guys to fill in your own. Okay, we're looking at this folk tale. We're just going to read this first part, okay? So folk tale is like when they use symbols or they use an old story to describe something. Long ago, rain and fire had an argument. Each claimed to be more powerful than the other. They argued for days. Finally, they decided to have a contest to determine the more powerful. They asked the people of the village to judge it. Rain boasted that he would be the winner. Fire was sure that he would defeat Rain. The day of the contest arrived. First, fire burned the forest. He torched the houses in the village. He destroyed the grasslands. Animals ran in fear. Fire kept blazing. He scorched the farmland. Everyone cheered and agreed that fire was powerful. As they ran away, the people sang. Suddenly the sun disappeared. Dark clouds gathered above the burning farmland. A thunderstorm boomed, then heavy rain fell from the sky. Soon the farmland stopped burning. The scorched earth drank up the rainwater. The grass and plants grew green and healthy again. Animals looked upward in awe. The people of the village sang a new song. Rain is falling, rain is mighty. Rain soaks all in its path. Who can defeat rain? I can, fire roared. He began again. He roared higher and higher. He flamed brighter and brighter. But again rain fell in torrents. The rainwater put out fire's flames. The people of the village ran for cover. When at last the rainfall stopped, they came out. Now the people sang a final song. Fire is strong, rain is stronger. Fire burns, but rain heals. Rain is more powerful than fire. Okay, we won't worry about these questions quite yet. But I do want you to do the final and destroy, and let's get page 82 turned in. Okay, awesome. Let's get that done, and let's have a solid month of reading a lot of different words. Okay, so independent reading, I want you reading. I want you taking quizzes. Okay, awesome, guys. Let's make sure that we are becoming better readers. Okay, that we're focused, that we're working hard on these sounding out words and understanding meanings and vocabulary. Okay, have a great day. Get this done. We'll go from there.